Good morning. It's effing morning. It's way too freaking early for me to be awake, but I have a huge makeup event and I'm looking like a glazed donut because I just did all my skincare, and we are going to do a really quick Dollar Tree review of this eyeshadow. So that's what it looks like. Let me see how it blends out. Okay, so it's kind of sheer. So that's really good for beginner artists, but if you're looking for a deeply pigmented look, you're gonna have to build. Let's get going. Eyeshadow base. You're definitely gonna want a primer for this for it to last all day. I'm putting down this taupey shade as an all-over base shade from lashes to brows. All right, that is the base shape we are going for. Then I'm going to take this purple shade from this CoverGirl palette that was gifted to me by a friend of mine, and I'm going to deepen my crease and my outer part of my eye. This is the base shape that we are going for. Now I'm going to take this loose setting powder that I use as a eyeshadow to blend all of this out. If I got ahead of myself, I'm going to take a white eyeliner and go in under my brows and the inside of the eye here, under the brow. Now we're going to blend. Blend with my finger and here. Okay, and now we're going to take this loose powder and blend. Blend, blend, blend. Keep blending. The more you blend, the better. The biggest difference between a high-end eyeshadow and a budget eyeshadow is how much you have to blend and how it blends. So you can go budget friendly, but it's going to require more work. I'm going to take up this black pencil eyeliner and line both my bottom and lower lashes, like so. Starting to come together, right? And what do you do next? You blend out that eyeliner with a pencil, smudger, or tiny little brush. Now you're going to take the brush that you did your eyeshadow with and just brush what's left on the brush underneath the eyes. Taking this tiny little sponge brush, and I'm going to put white eyeshadow on the inside of my eyes. Right here. Clear gel for my brows. This one is crap. I hate it, but I'm using it up. And because that brow gel is crap, I'm taking an old dried out mascara and filling in my brows. Naturally black brows. I also really hate this mascara. I can't wait for it to be done. I have this old MAC liquid liner. I'm going to top some of that black eyeliner with. And then finally, the piece that you've been looking for, I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow topper right in the center of my eye. I'm going to start by placing it on the back of my hand, a big amount, and then using my finger to press it into my eye. All right, there's the application of this product, and then now I'm going to blend it out and add some brightness back into the eye. I went back in with my loose setting powder, and now I'm going to blend. This is the placement. Okay, now I'm going to top everything with mascara. All right, here is the finished look. I would give the eyeshadow like a 3 out of 10. It took a whole lot to blend out, and then it barely showed up. I had to do a lot of layers. So for $1.25, meh. It's not a big find or anything like that, but if you're looking to play and experiment, this is a pickup. But if you're a makeup artist, I would say just invest in a high quality liquid shadow to really get it to do what you want, or you're going to spend too much time working with it.